Hey, what's up, fellas? Gxøscythe here, and welcome to the first ever product review unboxing. At yeah, feel free, upo kayo. Yan, sige lang, kung kayo magkasikan, welcome. And yeah, this is the first ever unboxing on my channel, even though wala siyang box. Yung pili natin na may box. So, kinapakapa ko siya. So, siguro nakita nyo naman yung title ng video. So, this is the Gorilla Pod from Lazada. And we're going to review it. Actually, hindi siya naging full review kasi hindi ko siya nagamit or whatsoever. Pero, ito yung parang first impressions. Kung madali ba siyang gamitin in the future pa yan. Pero, yung kung ano itsura niya o kung gaano siya sturdy, nakikita natin yun. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so ito na. Tinatry ko kung paano ito buksan. Ayan. May gunting dito. Okay na nga, ugupitin na nga lang natin siya. Ito na. Oops. So, just to let you know guys, yung ginagamit kong tripod na yun, magugulat kayo kung gaano kaliit. Kaya medyo hirap akong i-record. So, tingnan natin. Wow! Ano nakalagay? Thank you. Do not forget to rate us. God bless. Nice. And there's a logo. And maganda yung pagkakabalot. Yung hindi naman siya matadamage. At ang pinakagusto ko dito, yung bubble wrap actually. Okay guys, so ngayon, tatanggalin na natin siya. Ano ba ito? Naka-tape lang siya. Na, oh my god. Meron pa? Okay, so next, tatanggalin na natin to. Oh my god, ito na. So na naman medyo madumi. First time ko unboxing kahit walang box. Ito na, nahawakan ko na siya. Wow! Ooh. It feels nice. It feels nice. It feels so sturdy. Super sturdy. And naglalak yung joints. Makikita nyo na yeah, maganda siya. Rubberize yung paa. Naglalak talaga yung joints, which is good. Now, do you hear that? Yeah. It locks. So it comes with this, and also what's this? This I don't know. It's for here. This is for here. Yes, it is for here. Like, oh, for that's so that's for the camera. Okay, so guys, if you like to buy this, I will link it on the description box below. Just check it out. It's currently 245 pesos with shipping fee of 99. I don't know if nag-iiba siya pagka sa ibang lugar, which is I'm from Cavite, so it's kind of cheap, like 99 pesos only. For 344 pesos you will have this. The original price is around 1,000. Then it has a sale of 78% off. So I got this for 245 plus the shipping fee of 99. So if you like to buy this, go buy now because maybe it changed the price, depends on the month. I don't know. This is the first time na nag-order ako sa Lazada. So yeah, if you have questions, please comment down below. And ito na yung gagamitin ko kapag nag-vlog ako. So stay tuned kung anong mga qualities niya na maganda at gusto ko ma-update yun sa mga vlogs ko. So yeah, if you like this video, please click thumbs up, comment below, and please subscribe to my channel Gxøscythe for more videos like this. And See you next video. Okay guys, so look at the difference of this one to this one. It's just so cute. By the way, ilang beses nahulog yung phone ko dahil sa tripod na to.